Hello lovelies and welcome back to my channel. It's Gothic Vegan 05 here, and it is that time of the month again. No, not the bitch that is Mother Nature. I'm talking about this bitch. Box of Goth. It's here. I haven't touched it. I haven't opened it. I've done nothing. I'm so excited. Can't bloody wait. Something smells nice in here. Something smells of lavender. Every month I get more and more excited. I've just seen what next month's is. Oh my gosh. This smells beautiful. Okay, so, ooh, it's got some wormies in it this month. Didn't have it in the last month. Anyway, Box of Goth is a alternative monthly subscription box, which I bloody adore. Here's the box. It's coffin shaped. It's beautiful. It's even got another little bloody coffin on the back. It used to have a skull. I'm so in love with these boxes. I reuse them for jewellery boxes. I bloody love them. Can't rate this company enough. Go and bloody buy it every month. Let's go. Now I believe this month it's either Goth Garden or Garden Goth. I don't know which way round it is. I don't care. I don't bloody care, it's Goth. It has the word Goth and I can't open it. Okay. Something smells lovely in here. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing. It all looks very black. So let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. That smells beautiful. Oh my god. I was only saying the other day I wanted a black rose. And there it is. Would have poked my blimmin' eye out, mate. Here we go. That's lovely. I love that. Let's have a look here. Let's stick that in there. Lovely. Well, looks quite cute. Bit big, but no, let's just take that out. It must stop being ridiculous. Right, okay, let's get rid of the wormies. Oh, something smells incredible in here. I bet it's this. Alright, girls, what's this? Oh, God. That smells beautiful. I think it's lavender. Well, they've snuck something in here for us. A little something, something. No, sorry, ignore that. They wouldn't do that. Oh, that's beautiful. I don't know what that is, but I'm sure we will find out later. Next. I'm so happy. I've just had my second holes pierced in my ears. And these fuckers are going in it. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Love them, love them, love them. Next. Oh. What do we have here? Oh. Me not know what this is. Rose. Yeah. Crows in your garden. What's this? Oh, it's a gargoyle. Oh, I love him. I'm going to put him on my windowsill to protect my crystals. He's lovely. He's very lovely. Next. Oh, what's this? What the fuck is this? Oh no, what's this? I don't know how I feel about this one. This little wasp lived out its life in Ramsey Mearside in Cambridgeshire, United Kingdom, preserved in resin for you to admire It's Natural Beauty. Oh. Okay, so this is from DMC Designs, which is a really pretty sticker. That's lovely. Oh no, I'm not sure how I feel about this. I don't like wasps. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. I'm vegan. I don't know if this is right. I don't like wasps. I'm going to put that there for a moment. I don't know how I feel about that one. Anyway, let's forget that's in there for the moment. There's this little thing here. I'm going to recycle all this, by the way. I love it. I love it. Little pin badge. A little hand holding a flower. That's the right way up, isn't it? Yeah, yes. That's lovely. I like that. Me like that. Okay, so every month you get like the little badge for the theme of the box. So I still don't know if it's Goth Garden or Garden Goth. I think it's Goth Garden. Get the badge. It's not in here. That's lovely. It's a patch of a rose. I really need to use mine. I need to start making a little collection. I need some sort of jacket. Oh yes. Oh my god. I love her. This is just, I love this. It's like a little like passport photo. Wonder if I get away with using that for my passport photo. I doubt it, but that's lovely. I love that, love that, love that. Oh, what's this? Oh, a little butterfly. I love butterflies. Some sort of butterfly thing. I don't know what that is, but it's lovely. What's this? Seeds. Sorbet Black Delight Viola seeds. I was saying the other day I wanted a black flower garden. You must have read my mind, box of guff. I don't see that. You can't see it. That's the flowers. I'm planting these bad boys. When do you do it? Late spring. Oh, early spring. Spring, autumn. Oh, blooming season. Plant habit. I don't know when to do it. AKA the horned violet. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, and what's this? What is? Okay, we'll read that in a minute. La. Oh my god. I love this box. I still don't know how I feel about the wasp. Yes. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it. I bloody love it. That with the earrings. Yes. Yes. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, that's it. Right, let me just read this. So the faux rose stem, oh, I'm all sweaty, sorry. The flower's stem can be bent back or forwards, and you can open up any flattened or misshapen petals by steaming them. Ooh. Placing a bowl of boiling water, be careful, hold your rose flower down over the bowl, but not into the water. Be careful not to burn yourself. Oh, that's so cute. Well, I'll read that to myself later, you don't need to know about that. Oh, it's Goth Garden. Okay, so, right, let's go through what is on here. Okay, Goth garden. Right, so we have... He doesn't like me. Oh, it fell into the bag. Okay, Wasp Charm by DMC Designs. Now, I don't want to disrespect the dead, because he is dead. I just don't know how I'm supposed to feel about this, because I'm a vegan. And I don't like wasps. No, I'll have to give that one away, because I can't do that. But everything else I love. Okay, so Half a Murder Crow Studs. I'm wearing these tomorrow. Love them. Acrylic Rose Pendant. I'm going to wear that very soon. Black Rose Embroidery Patch. Love it. I need my glasses. Mini Gargoyle. Lovely. I like him. Ugly little bugger. He's going to protect my crystals. Faux Black Rose Stem, which I love. Beautiful. Oh, hang on. Anyway, sorry. Picking Flowers Enamel Pin, which must be this one. I love that. Morticia Cutting Rose. Oh, it's a sticker. Sticker. Viola Sorbet Black Delight Flower Seeds, which I'm going to use. And the theme pin badge, which is here. Right, that's what's on there. So, this and this must be freebies, which is very nice. Now, I'm assuming this you hang in your wardrobe or something. Oh, it smells beautiful. I'm going to put that under my pillow. It's so calming. It smells like lavender. And then that cute little butterfly. Oh, hang on. Maybe that was on there. Do you think? And it's just fallen off. I'll put him on there because he kind of looks like he's supposed to be on there. Yeah. Yeah. Very, very pleased with this month's box. Love it as usual. The only thing I'm not too keen on is the little wasp thing. I'm really sorry. I don't like wasps, and as a vegan I don't think I should keep any dead animals in resin, in my honest opinion, but I know someone who will like that. Love it. Please go subscribe. I believe it is the £26 something a month. I say it every month, I can never remember, but it's bloody worth it whatever it costs, so go buy it. Yeah, the girls are great, the company's great, the stuff's great. I love it. Always going to subscribe. I'm going because it's nearly 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm sweating like a bush pig and I need to get up for work in 6 hours. So I'll see you very soon. Love you. Bye.